Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to this video. As a हामी यो भिडियोमा reported speech को केही क्वेशनहरु सल्भ गर्न जाँदैछौं है. Okay, so let's get started. So सुरुमा के छ त भन्दाखेरि where is my umbrella? She asked. अब यसलाई हामीले indirect speech मा चेन्ज गर्नु पर्यो. So question छ WH question present tense मा छ. So let's see. She asked. अब के हुन्छ त? Where her umbrella was. Where her umbrella was. She asked where her umbrella was. Next. How are you? Martin asked us. So you again WH question nahi cha. So Martin asked us how अब यो past मा लाग्नु पर्यो है. How were we? Sorry, how we were. So Martin asked us how we were. भनेर भन्ने. He asked, do I have to do it? He asked, do I have to do it? He asked, ल भन्नुस् त. He asked, अब यो yes or no question. अब if or whether मा लाउनु पर्यो. He asked if he had to do it. If he had to do it. Next question. Where have you been? The mother asked her daughter. The mother asked her daughter where our daughter says she, where she had been. Where she had been. Next, which dress do you like the best? Do you like best? She asked her boyfriend. She asked her boyfriend which dress he liked the best. He liked the best. What are they doing? She asked. She wanted to know what they were doing. एकदमै सजिलो छ है. मैले यहाँ तपाईहरुलाई सबै एक्सप्लेन गरिरहेको छैन, बट हाम्रो एक्सप्लेनेसन रुल को भिडियो अर्को छ. You can watch that, है. Okay. What were they doing? Next question. Are you going to the cinema? He asked me. He wanted to know. अब yes no question भयो. अब if र whether मा लाने है. मैले if लेखे. If अब past मा लाग्ने. If I was going to the cinema. यो सिम्पल छ है. अलिकति बुझ्नु पर्यो. एकदमै सजिलो छ है. र एक्जाम मा पनि आइ नै रहन्छ. पास मिलाउनु पर्यो है त. ओके. The teacher asked who speaks English. The teacher asked who speaks English. The teacher wanted to know who spoke English. Who spoke English. How do you know that? She asked me. She asked me how I past मा लाने. Present छ past. How I knew that. How I knew that. Has Karen talked to Kevin? Yes or no question. If or whether मा लाने. My friend asked me if Karen अब past मा Karen had talked to Kevin. My friend asked me if Karen had talked to Kevin. Hey, okay. So यसरी हामीले केही रिपोर्टेड स्पीच को क्वेशन को सोल्युसन गर्यौं. अब यसमा बुझ्नु भएको छैन भनेदेखि हाम्रो प्लेलिस्टमा रिपोर्टेड स्पीच को हामीले रुलहरु डिस्कस गरेका छौं. के हुँदा के हुन्छ भनेर त्यो भिडियो हेर्नुस्. इट विल बी क्लियर. र तपाईको कतिको मिलेको छ लेट मी नो है त. र हजुरलाई कुन सब्जेक्ट कुन टपिक गाह्रो लाग्छ त्यो पनि कमेन्ट गर्नु होला. थ्यांक यू फर वाचिङ गाइज एन्ड आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट भिडियो. गुडबाई.